n number of crimes. I don't know why people have the mindset that it's a complex thing. Sir, I am doing some selling for you. Because I believe it. I believe it. It is required. Thank you.
Sir, I have an experience. I received a mail saying that I got a lottery of $2 billion. And then they asked some information, and after that they made a phone call saying that you give me 20,000 rupees, you give.
Sir, nobody will give you free money, whether it is speakindia.com, or whether it is this type of lotteries, whether somebody has lost in Africa, whether there is an inherent thing. Nobody will give you free money. If that is there, why don't they keep it?
But the police could not catch them.
Because it's an
So
international.
you cannot apply the IT Act unless the criminal is caught.
See, there is a way to catch him, because what they say, you deposit the money in this account. That is money mule's account. The person who is working as a commission agent, that money mule, as per IT Act, is also liable. And many of the money mules are caught. If somebody says you work from home, we'll give you this much money, you can earn 20,000 rupees per month. And if a money muling scam, you become money mule, you are contravening IT Act. 3 years plus 5 lakh rupees, fine. 5 lakh rupees, more than that, 3 years is more deterrent. As a government guest in some Tihar jail or whatever it is here. So don't come into that type of a scam. Please don't come into that type of scam. You ask Mr. Thirumala Rao why he was not caught. I can't comment on that. But yes, at least one thing is there. I'll say my Mumbai police is more efficient in that.
Good afternoon, sir.
Anand Shankar from Power Grid Corporation. There has been a lot of mention in your talk about the role of intermediaries for the data transmission and all that. Now, role of ISP is typically cited as intermediary.
Yeah.
But what about the role of the typical poor system administrator who is running a proxy server? What is his role and responsibilities? How Information Technology Act 2008 rules will, he will be liable for what?
See,
as a proxy server administrator.
who is responsible? The company. But company you cannot prosecute. You can maximum fine it, but you cannot put him in the jail. So ultimately, Section 65, Section 79 defines in a company environment who is responsible. The responsible manager, CEO, management is responsible. How you define it, that advocates has to work out, or compliance officer has to work out. In banks, there is a compliance officer. He is responsible. There is a CEO, chairman, they are responsible. Many times nothing happens, but they are responsible for that. So if a system administrator is doing something, if he has been delegated authority by the board that you are responsible for that, you have got a security policy procedure for that, then only responsible. Otherwise, if I am defense counsel, he will not be responsible. I will just make sure that I am not an advocate, I am not a lawyer, I am a technologist, but I will make sure that he will be absolved, he will be acquitted. Ultimately, responsibility lies on whom? The top management. If they don't make policy, they do not make procedure, they don't delegate the authority, and that person accepts it, he is not responsible. That is my interpretation, and I believe in that.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Faraz. I'm a general manager to Instancy Technologies. We deal a lot in digital content, videos, and rights. So basically, we host all that content on a US server, but we develop, author it here in India. Now, the liabilities will be shared between the IT Act in US to the IT Act in India if we actually are working in a collaborative environment?
There is no sharing of liability. Indian Act defined liability in India only, although at one point says that even the crime is committed internationally, it is liable, you can file a complaint in India, it is liable to be. But in India, means who can go after Peter Blanche or Kim Davis, Miss you fearing Purelia, etc. It's very difficult to extract that person from other country. But it depends on your agreement with your client. If agreement says that the liability as per Indian Act or American Act or both Act will be there, then it will be there. If your agreement is silent, that at least liability under Indian Act are there. You cannot get absolved of or liability from Indian Act. Because whether you like it or don't like it, whether ignorance is bliss or it is power, but you are liable.
Okay. Thank you.
Last question, sir. Hello. One small question. What does the term reasonably secure mean? I mean, in a home PC, what secure softwares are?
ISO 27001 is defined as reasonably secure management system. It is called ISMS, Information Security Management System. If you are compliant with that, the government will accept that you are reasonably secure.
Like,
Who will accept court of law? And court of law will work on what? They work on the act as written in the act, rules or subsequent judgment by the High Court or Supreme Court. So the regulation under made under IT Act by the Government of India released recently, it says that if you are ISO 27001 compliant, you are reasonably secure.
so to say boldly, some antivirus, anti-firewall, etc.
A small part of it has got 134 controls, and malware is hardly 2 controls in that.
2 controls.
See what happened, this malware, antivirus, they are like Aishwarya Rai of IT security. They are celebrities, everyone knows them. But there are so many other things which people don't know. And if you go through this presentation, how much of these things you were knowing before, except I have not used the word virus anywhere, I use the word malware. Virus is a part of malware.
Yes. Now, here starts my question. Let's say government did not certify any antivirus companies or any firewall companies.
That
So
is
how
your
can
risk.
they ask us to?
That is your risk. No antivirus,
Yes.
with all due respect to antivirus companies, is perfect. Every day you are downloading the signatures. Why? Because new viruses are coming. And for some viruses, there is no cure. Stuck next.